Hari Om. Dear students, fine, welcome to our class. Here you see, like religion, it is the power to move millions of people. Since the very birth of human civilization, people have moved to settle close to it. People move when there is too little of it, and people move when there is too much of it. Do you know? People write, sing, and dance about it. People fight over it, and all people, everywhere and every day, need it. What is it? It is only water. It is only water, which is a necessary resource for our existence. Dear students, in the earth, no living thing can exist without water. We require water in our daily life, for agricultural work, for industrial activities. So, water is a life supporter, but it can destroy our life too when not managed judiciously. Isn't it? You might have known, flood and famine are two twin problems of our country and the world. If more water, flood; if less water, famine. This second slide shows about a cartoon of fish. Fish says, as fishes live by breathing in oxygen, which comes from water, as it stays in the water body, it depends upon the water oxygen, which is dissolved in the water, isn't it? So it cries, if the water will scarce, then how do I live, isn't it? So it is a question to us. We have to take care of it, of our water. In this slide, now I am going to show you a graphical distribution of location of water on the earth. Here, in the first column, in the first graph, it shows it is a compound bar diagram. The total global water is shown here as 100. Out of that, oceans constitute 96.5%, which is salt water. Other surrounding water 0.9%. And remaining about 2.5% is fresh water. From this fresh water 2.5, the second compound diagram has come out. Here this 2.5% is treated as 100 as a whole. From this, glacier ice caps constitute 68.7% of water. That is fresh water, no doubt. Glacier and ice caps are fresh water, but that is 68.7, about 70%. And about 30% is as groundwater. Water is there, but it is as groundwater. Next, remain 1.2%, that is surface flow, surface water. You say fresh water of surface, that is maybe pond, maybe lake, maybe your river runoff, etc. Now this third column, that is out of 1.2% fresh water, again treated as 100 in this column. Out of this 1.2% of water, groundwater, there is ground ice and permafrost cover 69%. Permanent frost cover These are the permanent glaciers. They are the ice sheets, ice caps found in the polar areas and high latitude areas and high altitude areas. Remaining 20.9% found in the lakes, and very few percent now remain, that is 3% in atmosphere, the gaseous state, in the water vapor form, in the moisture form, and 0.26% is in living things. And in soil, moisture contains 3.8%. River carries 0.49%, and last remain swamps and marshes, the 2.6%. Like swamps and marsh areas means Sundarban areas you can see, or you may see the Ran of Kutch areas. In this way these are found. So now you are here sure that how water is located in the earth in different forms, different types.